Look at this beautiful shot of Portland right here, guys. This is amazing. There's the bridge. View of the city. Absolutely gorgeous. And we're charging for free. I mean, what more could I ask for? You know? It is black ice, so, you know, understandable that it happened. It sucks that it happened, but it's understandable. I mean, it is nasty right there. Light on the old Clipper Creek here. Totally free Tesla charger. This is awesome. I am super stoked about it.
Bunch of fucking Teslas over here. It's all Tesla over here. What's going on?
All right, guys, you join me. It is a beautiful sunny day in Oregon. We got here 40 degrees outside, but bright and sunny, so it feels like it's probably, I don't know, in the nicer 50s. That is for sure. Figured that I would take you on a quick walk outside because today is delivery day of my new Tesla Model 3 Performance. Now, I had initially thought that I was going to do a Model 3 long range all-wheel drive, but with the tax incentives and, you know, the price drop from Tesla, it is February 25th, 2023. With all of those things considered, I went ahead and opted for the Model 3 Performance all-wheel drive. So, needless to say, I am pretty excited. We're about an hour away from delivery. It's about 12:45. Delivery is looking like it's going to be at about 2 p.m. So, I'm going to go up to T-Guard with my cousin and fam. We're going to go hang out up in the Portland area for today. And, you know, just figured that I would start the video off with some beautiful views from downtown Albany, Oregon. Again, it's 40 degrees, but it is just gorgeous out here. I mean, not a cloud in the sky. So, all right, guys, I will check back in with you whenever we get up to T-Guard and let you know how the delivery process goes. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that you enjoy this special edition of Dasher Cam as I take delivery of my new Model 3 Performance. All right, guys, this is the first look at the car. Here we go. Just kind of got, slip my fat ass right in here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. There it is, got my name in it. For me, guys. This one is for me. Oh man, I am just floored. It looks amazing. You know, I'm not really too big of a fan of the Uber turbines, but seeing them in person, they look pretty great. Oh boy. Let's not slip on this ice. Let's not kill myself on the drive. Oh shit, dude, I am so excited. This is just such a thing. All right. Here we are for the first time. I get into the car. You know what? Let's put the cameras and stuff in the back for a moment. We don't need to do everything. Let's just see what we got back here. Gorgeous. Smells new. Looks amazing. Oh, and it comes with some floor goodies. All right. Well, we've made it into the car. Let's see what happens here. I don't remember exactly what needs to go on for me to start it up. So let's see if I can figure this thing out, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, I got it all turned on and figured out. Uh-oh, I don't know what that did. Just went ahead and turned her off for me. No big deal, whatever. Okay, it's back on. So here is the info that you guys probably want to see. That is the price that I paid for the car, for everything. I went ahead and went up for the Midnight Silver Metallic paint. And yeah, I haven't taken my first drive just yet. I figured I would get my cameras all mounted and set up, but here we are, guys. We are in here. It seems like a happy little car so far. You know, beautiful, really. I mean, it is just it's a car. It is a car. We've made it in, guys. Made it to the Tesla. Made it to the Tesla. There I am, Cameron Sofsky. Welcome to your Tesla cam. All right. Let's go for a drive. I'm going to set up some cameras. I'm going to get ready to go and see what we can do here. But, you know, let's go ahead and get ready for this first drive and see what it's all about. You join me in my brand new Model 3 Performance. Pretty stoked about it, to be completely honest with you. Haven't driven it yet. In the parking lot still at the Tesla dealership. Just kind of getting ready to put myself on the road for the first time. Let's see how it ends up going. Gonna go ahead and put her into drive. I don't even know what mode I'm in right now. You know what? Let's check on that. Let's see, what mode are we in here. You would think that I would have figured this all out by now, but definitely still new. Okay, here we go. Controls, pedals and steering. Comfort, acceleration, sport. What do you guys think? Should we keep it in sport for the first go around? I think that we should probably keep it in sport for the first go around. So, all right, let's see if we can get over to our destination. We're going to the over to the OMSI. I can't remember exactly what all that stands for, but we're going to go ahead and start creeping out. Oh, shit. Here we go, guys. This is it. The steering wheel is all nice and heated for me.
Now turn right onto Southwest Cascade Avenue.
Oh, boy. We're going to have to turn her off. How do I turn you off, car? Whoa. All right. Going to have to get used to this one-pedal driving feature. Let's do it. Let's go, dude. What do you guys think? First acceleration? Whoa. Holy shit. Okay. All right. It goes. Yeah, it goes. Holy shit. Here we are, friends. We are in it. We are in it. I don't know what the speed limit is. 30. 30 is the speed limit on this road. Let's try and keep it at the speed limit. You know, we'll see. We'll see what ends up happening here. I would like it if I had a different view. I'm sure that I can fiddle around with the view here. I want it to be more of a 3D view. Can we get it? Yes, here we go. Perfect. All right, guys. I think we're passing Biamp right there. Yeah, Biamp, totally. I've been to this Biamp facility here. I work on my other job is working. I am going to have to get used to these brakes. Or the one-pedal driving, rather. I like the cameras. This is super cool. On the left here, showing me how close I am to the lines and whatnot. I need to adjust my mirrors. I don't know if I can adjust my mirrors while I'm in here. What do we got here? Navigation. Controls. Full mirrors. No mirrors. Right. All right, let's see here.
500 feet, turn right to take the Oregon 217 South ramp toward Tigard.
All right.
Now
We're moving right along.
The Oregon 217 South ramp.
This is awesome. I love it. I love it. I'm sold. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm super stoked. This is pretty amazing. Definitely a goal that I've had for a really, really, really long time. If you've ever talked to me, then you know exactly what it is that I'm trying to say right now. I have wanted a Tesla forever. So, pretty happy that We finally made it. All right, let's go and get some traffic under our belts here, friends. Look at all this beautiful traffic driving out of T-Guard. Oh yeah, getting it all over the car already. Perfect. You know what, guys? I am gonna curb rash these rims. I am gonna drive this shit like it's meant to be driven. It's a car. You know, that is exactly what we're supposed to be doing in cars, is driving them. So it looks like we're gonna head back over to I-5, and you know, fingers crossed we'll be able to get in here at some point. You gonna let me in, Toyota? Thanks, bro. Appreciate you. All right, so a couple of things. I really want to get into some tent. I want to get into. Let's go for it. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, it's just smooth. It's just fucking instant. Gotta get some tent for the car. Would like to look and see if I can maybe get some new rims and tires for it. I don't know, we'll see. But you know, pretty great overall so far. I'm enjoying myself. So, all right, you know what? We're gonna go ahead and go for this drive. First drive in the car. I hope that you guys are enjoying it as much as I am. But let's see what this drive has in store for us. You know, hopefully we won't find any concerning things with the Tesla, but it seems to be pretty great so far. I'm really enjoying it. All right, I'll catch you guys out there.
Feel so lost alone, can't be on my own. Gonna way back home, going down my back. And I wish I could just follow. We've known each other for some time. Don't be afraid to drop your line. I just want to get to know you. Come up to me, you say I am so sorry, you unfriended me. Now I told you to come over across the street. You came right over, tell that ogre that you're sorry for ditching me. Baby, come home with me. They say it's a damn thing, it's the same thing, everything is right. It's alright, bright light, it's the time tonight.
Well, maiden voyage. A little bit different than I initially anticipated, but that is okay. Here, I mean, it is black ice, so, you know, understandable that it happened. It sucks that it happened, but it's understandable. I mean, it is nasty right there. All right, so got into a little fender bender here. Nothing too crazy though. It's not going to be that big of a deal to get fixed. Just a little kiss on the backside of the Tesla here. But you know what? Those things happen. We are all, you know, we all have our issues from time to time. So no big deal. All right, let's go ahead and get out of here. I got all the information that I needed to get from her. So anyways, there's a YouTube video for you guys. I hope that you enjoy it. We're almost to the museum. It's gonna take us just literally 1 minute to get there. So I guess that I'll go ahead and say goodbye for now. You know, thanks for riding along with me on this first maiden voyage of our Tesla Model 3 Performance. You know, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully this is content worthy enough for it to make its way to you. And yeah, you know what? We'll have more adventures to come. Like I said earlier, you know, this is a car. It's a tool. It's gonna be, you know, it's going to be used. I'm going to love it no matter what. It's going to be a great car. So thank you guys for sticking around. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and yeah, we'll do it again in the near future. Catch you on the next one.